Hello, this video will show you how to use custom CSS using WP Dark Mode. Go to Settings of the WP Dark Mode and go to Custom CSS. Now go back to your site and right-click on the area you want to control by clicking on Inspect Element. Then, copy the division tag for the search box and paste it back in the empty box for the custom CSS. Now hit Save to finish. If you go back to your site and click on the WP Dark Mode logo, you will see that everything turns dark except the search box, which we edited in the CSS section. Let's try another example for simplicity. Here's a site that turns dark when we click on the logo for WP Dark Mode. But we want to also highlight the text to red while enabling the dark mode. Just right-click on the text to select Inspect Element. Then click on the plus sign for the filter section and add your CSS styles for the red colored text. Remember to type quote, exclamation mark important as shown. Copy your CSS style and paste it back in the empty box for the custom CSS section and hit Save. You can now see that the text turns red when you enable the WP Dark Mode. So download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free. If you have any query or need any help, contact us at support@wppool.dev.